Well, let's say, I mean, the organization is global, right? I'm going to, instead of the organization, it's like, how about just the future of business, right? I mean, let's talk about everybody globally, worldwide. What are the skill sets? And there's really two. One of them, a lot of the conversations here at the conference are about that, is what's going on in technology. How is everything becoming more digital? What's the convergence or the confluence, if you will? And how do I prepare to be a competent player in that? And so I've got to learn, how to relearn. I can't be afraid of the digital environment. I've got to learn how to collaborate more effectively with others who have skill sets I don't have, and then essentially ride and support and continue to develop that technical wave. That's the technical side, yeah? That is going to become better and faster and cheaper and more widely available, yeah? I mean, to the point where it's largely going to be free. For example, today you can have a video call in real time with 10 people simultaneously all over the world, and it won't cost you a penny. Right, I remember when I was a child, I used to run to get my father, it's a long distance call, because you knew somebody was actually paying more money just to even talk, right? Okay, so the whole tech side of business, of life, is going to continue to accelerate that way. And there are certain skills that anyone needs to become proficient in order to feel competent and fluent and able to generate value. Yeah? That's one side. The other side is really the more humane side. This is the phenomenon of human care. This is the intimacy, if you will. This is the genuine personal attention, or if we really want to be extravagant, you can say this is where love lives. So you have tech and you have love. Now, you can say, well, I'm going to be very good at this, but if you're ignorant on this, then you actually become somebody that can be replaced by a machine. The intelligence over here and the ability to get better and better and better, let the machines do that. That's what AI and machine learning and robotics is all about. But this side is going to become ever more unique, valuable, appreciated, and a real point not only of differentiation when you're serving a customer or a client, but also a point of differentiation when you're being chosen for promotion or for leadership within a team, etc.
Thanks for watching this video. Your dedication to serving better and caring more makes the world a better place for everyone. For more uplifting ideas, practical insights, and free resources, please subscribe now.